To schedule an email in Outlook, enter the details of your emails, the recipient's email address, the subject, and the email body. Then right here on the send button, click on this arrow pointing downwards, and you have three options here. The one you want to click on is schedule send. Then you'll see a pop-up screen that allows you to schedule your email. You have a couple options. You can just click this to schedule the email for tomorrow by 8 a.m. or for Monday, June 29th, 2026. I'm making this video on the 22nd of June. That will be more or less like 7 days from now. What I think you'd like to do is click on custom time. Here you can set a custom date and time for when you want to send your email. Let's say 25th of June 2026. Then I'll just change this to 10 a.m. Now we've set the date and time. What you want to do is to click on send. And as you can see at the bottom of the screen, it says send schedule for this Tuesday 10 a.m. If you want to view it, you can just click on view and you see your email. If you want to make changes before the email is sent, you can go ahead and do that. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking this video.